Ouch! It is so itchy.
These bug bites are terrible. I cannot sleep. I hate mosquitoes.
The garden is so fun. I want to find a big bug. What is that sound? Oh no, mosquitoes! Mosquitoes! Ouch! Ah! Go away! Stop biting me! I must go inside. It is too itchy.
I am so mad.
Look at my tall tower. Mia, I want to sit here. But I am playing here. Mia, I do not care. Leave me alone. Liam broke my tower.
What is going on here? Liam, why did you do that?
She is annoying. Everything is annoying.
Do not yell, Liam. That is not nice.
I am going to my room. Liam is mean today.
It is okay, Mia. I will talk to him.
Liam scratched and scratched, alone with his terrible mosquito bites. Liam, may I come in?
No, leave me alone!
I see you are very uncomfortable. Oh my, you have many mosquito bites.
They hurt so much.
This cream works wonders. Does it feel cold?
Yes, it feels better, Mommy.
I know the bites made you angry.
Yes, Mommy. I was very angry.
But it is not okay to yell at Mia and Daddy. They did not bite you. The mosquitoes did.
I was mean to Mia. I broke her tower.
When you are upset, do not hurt others. Just ask for help.
I am sorry. I will go apologize to Mia and Dad. Dad. Mia, I am so sorry. I was angry, but I was wrong to yell. Are you still angry? No, Liam. I am very sorry that I broke your tower. I was itchy and cranky. It is okay, Liam.
That was very brave, Liam. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. I must clean the house today. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Mosquitoes hide in dirty places. I will clean it up. No more bugs in our garden.
Wow, look at the garden.
Good morning, Mom and Dad. I cleaned the garden.
Oh, Liam, you are so wonderful.
You did a great job, son. The mosquitoes will go away.
Now, let's have a big breakfast.
Yay, pancakes! Hi, friends. Welcome to our safety class. Today we learn about bug bites and feelings. Rule number 1. Do not play in high grass. Wear long pants. Rule number 2. Keep your house and garden clean. Rule number 3. This is very important. If you are upset, do not yell at your family. Just ask your parents for help, everyone. Bye-bye.